a 3-year-old neutered male Cairn Terrier mix. He's available for adoption at Humane Society Silicon Valley. Calvin is a great dog. He likes playing with other dogs, he likes playing with toys, he loves going for walks, but he's also good to just sit down on your lap and snuggle up for a little bit. So he is looking for a home, and we want to find him one real soon. So come and visit him at the Humane Society Silicon Valley in Milpitas.